This is an open message to the ICC or the International Criminal Court. Maybe this video will be taken down or this account will be taken down, but I just want to say, ICC, you call yourself a court that would protect the people of nations who were plundered, raped, victimized, but you allowed your body to be used by communists and by corrupt political regimes. You should have dismissed the case of PRRD or President Rodrigo Roa Duterte motu proprio when it landed on your doors. You should have analyzed, if you have half the brain of a cockroach, you should have analyzed that this is not within your jurisdiction and that trying him would be a grave injustice to the Filipino people and to the person himself. You should have understood that bringing him before your doors is blatantly illegal, violative of the Constitution, and is a corrupt move by a corrupt government who you helped. You should have noticed that Rodrigo Roa Duterte is just an offering to the altars of the communist demons, so that this government, this corrupt Marcos administration will not be threatened. You should have noticed that, you should have recognized that, and you should have dismissed Rodrigo Roa Duterte's case upon its arrival on your doorstep. And let the world know how corrupt your institution is for even accepting it. You should have ordered him sent home, especially given his heroic deeds in our country and his age. You are nothing but a tool of the demons. Fuck you,